come standing at the front of your mat, bringing your hands to heart center. Take an inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, fingertips rise. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. Pedal out your feet. If you have blocks, you can take your blocks in front of you. Placing your left hand on the block, left knee bends, right arm is lifted, gazes at your right fingertips. Take an inhale. On your next exhale, lower your right hand. Take an inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, fold. Pedal out your feet. You can hang out here in a forward fold, taking your elbows in each hand. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, fold. Pedal out your feet. Inhale, rise, fingertips touch, down, exhale through center. And inhale, right hand takes left wrist, leaning to the right for a left side body stretch. Inhale and exhale. And coming back to center, exhale both hands down through center and inhale, rise, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, fold. This time, right hand is on the block, right knee is bent, left hand is lifted, gaze is at your left fingertips. Inhale and exhale. On your next exhale, lower your left hand, inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, fold. Hanging out in your forward fold again. You can take your elbows in each hand and just relax in this forward fold. Release any bind. Take an inhale and an exhale. Inhale up through center. This time, left hand takes right wrist, leaning to the left for a right side body stretch. And exhale, coming back to center. Inhale, fingertips rise, and exhale, hands come through center. And sitting back into chair pose, gazes at your fingertips stretched out. Your weight is in your heels. And pressing your palms together as you rise up, bring your right foot forward and swing your right foot behind you, coming down on that right knee and making your way into low lunge. Arms are lifted. And exhale your hands through center and twist to the left towards your bent knee. And as you twist back to center, rise up into high lunge. Arms are lifted overhead. And exhale, turning to the right, sinking down into goddess pose. Flowing into warrior two, left knee bends, arms are extended. Palms are face down. Back leg is straight. Making your way into your version of side angle. Lifted hand can be overhead. You can reach to the side. Left knee straightens, moving into triangle pose. Inhale and exhale. And on your next inhale, lift up and exhale down into Skandasana on the right side. Hands can be at your chest in prayer position, or the hands can be on your mat. Inhale here. And as you exhale, Come to standing and skandasana to the other side. Left knee bends. Right leg is straight. Hands can be at your chest, or hands can be on the mat. Inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, rise up, moving into warrior 2 with your right knee bent. So you should be facing the back of your mat. And bringing both hands overhead, come up on the ball of that back left foot for arrow pose. Take an inhale and bring the back foot forward and sink back into chair pose at the back of your mat. Gaze is at your fingertips. Your weight is in your heels. Pressing your palms together, bringing them to your chest. Left knee lifts and swings back. Lower down onto that left knee and come into low lunge. Right knee is bent. Gaze is at your fingertips. On your next exhale, lower your hands and twist to the right. Arms are at a T for a twisted low lunge. As you come back to center, come back up off of that back foot onto the ball of your left foot, moving into high lunge. Right knee twists and you move back into goddess pose. And sinking down into warrior 2, right knee bent, left knee is straight. Gaze is at your right fingertips. And making your way into your version of extended side angle pose. Your arm can be overhead or you can reach behind you. Keep breathing. Straighten your right knee, moving into triangle pose. On your next inhale, lift up back into center and sink back down into skandasana on the left side. Left knee is bent, right leg is extended. Hands can be in front of your chest or hands can be on the mat. Inhale, rise up, and exhale, skandasana to the other side. Right knee is bent, left leg is extended. On your next inhale, rise up, moving into warrior 2. This time your left knee is bent, facing the front of your mat. Gaze is over your left fingertips. And exhale back into goddess pose. And stepping both feet together. Inhale, rise up, and exhale,